My name's Jeremy Veach, and this is my bus, Goldie. Let's do it.
Hi, Norm.
That's where I kept my oil. Pretty much the same as last year. That's my bed, couch area, storage underneath. We ripped out the table that used to be there. Gonna add a new one eventually. It's my toolbox that's converted into like more of a storage unit thing now. It's full of crap.
Oh, what I like with those is you could just
It's
lock
nice.
them.
Yeah, it's nice. You can just do one key and lock every drawer, and
Yep.
and now it's bolted to the wall, so it doesn't rattle anymore. Here's my storage for like jackets and coats and stuff. Kitchen area, which I plan on actually ripping this out and putting a butcher block in for a more useful countertop. This stuff kind of, I don't really like this.
Nice big sink.
Yeah, big ceramic sink. I like it. It's full of stuff right now.
Now, what do you cook on? You got like.
I have an induction cooker right now because everything runs on solar.
Right.
But actually, when we go to Havasu, we're talking to a guy about putting propane in, and so we'll put a stove hopefully right here. That's the plan.
Yeah. And how much solar do you have?
Just about 1,400. It's like 1380, I think it was 1385. Pantry for food. And then the loft used to be here, but I ripped that out. And that's why it's all a mess back here. Made more of a day bed back here. And then put the storage underneath instead of on the steps that were here. Storage bathroom.
Yeah.
It's in this bunch of stuff. And then my solar. And toolbox for all my tools and stuff.
Okay.
This is all in a work in progress back here, though. Obviously, you can tell. It's getting there, though.
Well, schoolies are never done.
No.
We're always thinking about ways to remodel and.
This is like our
whatnot,
third time
so.
messing around with the inside.
Yeah.
I had it done once in Washington, and then I was like, I don't like this.
Well, thank you.
Oh yeah, thank you. That's quick.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.